guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Halo Beauty. I am on my second bottle of the nutritional supplements by Tati Westborook. They just arrived today actually, funnily. That only took 5 days to arrive, which is incredible. They come from the US, so well done for that. Okay, so I know there's been positive and negative reviews about this product. I, for one, would say they've been great. My nails feel that much better. I did notice that my nails grew much faster than normal. I would put it down to these tablets. I had the shellac on and I hate it when the shellac comes off. My nails do feel sort of flaky. I mean, they're fairly tough, but it's, you know, I did find that then they grew faster. My skin feels better, more hydrated, and my hair feels good. I am using Daniel Galvin's shampoo as well. I'm sure all these things help. It's the combination of factors. Now, this is almost $40 for 60 tablets. They recommend taking 2 tablets a day. That kind of works out slightly pricey, but when I was doing some price comparisons, I was pleasantly surprised because the nutrients that you find in this, you won't find in a single supplement. You can get a hair supplement, you know, for less money, or just a skin supplement, but to find the hair, skin and nails with all the ingredients that this contains, you won't find them in one single product. So you'd have to buy 2 products anyway. So in that sense, you know what, it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's great value for money necessarily, but I would say it's on par with the others. I mean, there is, I think in the UK we've got Perfectil, probably remember the one that's endorsed by Nicole Scherzinger. That's the bestseller here, but that contains fish oil, so I wouldn't take that for one. I'm a vegetarian. These are vegetarian or vegan, I believe, which is great. They've got biotin in them. Now, biotin is brilliant for your hair. You know what, you can buy biotin on its own as a supplement and it's pretty pricey. I got the Hair, Skin and Nails by Solga, but they don't have the biotin and the B vitamins in this one. I would say that's the best one probably because it's got everything. So I didn't add. I would say this is a bit of a winner. The Perfectil does contain the fish oil, which isn't for me. It might be, you know, okay for you. I prefer to stick with this. The only thing, it hasn't concerned me, and I've been taking it, I've been fine. Some people will be concerned about the saw palmetto. It's a bit controversial. So, you know, saw palmetto, I mean, it's thought to work as an anti-androgen. You know, some people have suggested that it reduces the effect of androgenic alopecia on the scalp. I mean, but it seems to make sense to me. During menopause, estrogen and progesterone levels drop. So, you know, the effects of the androgens become more sort of pronounced. And these manifest themselves in the form of thinning hair and on the scalp and increased facial hair. So surely it's not such a leap in faith to think that saw palmetto can combat some of these symptoms. Saw palmetto is plant-derived. However, there have been concerns that it has links with your hormonal function, and therefore if you're on kind of oral contraceptive, it can interfere with that. So, I mean, I would just be sensible and err on the side of caution. Surely if you are trying for a baby, if you're pregnant, you're breastfeeding, you would, I think, consult your doctor, wouldn't you? So I don't really understand what all the hype's been about, all the negativity. Sometimes I think people just want to have a pop at someone at any opportunity. This is my second bottle, so I don't really have any issues with the fact that it's got saw palmetto. But you know what, if you are pregnant or if you're taking an oral contraceptive, you might want to check with your doctor. And you know what, I think Tati says it's perfectly safe to use. She's had it tested and she's consulted, you know, various professionals. Maybe the trace amount that it contains is harmless. I don't know. I'm not qualified to really comment on that. If you have any kind of doubts whatsoever, just ask your GP. I'm sure you will get the advice that you need. So always err on the side of caution. And as I said, for me, they've been great. Well done, Tati. I think you've got a great product there. I love your channel. I've been watching you for donkey's years. I think you're brilliant. You are my favourite YouTuber. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of my video. I really, really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really, really helped me. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the